For whom is this? For the ego. When I see Stanton, immediately all other thoughts about Stanton come, isn't it? That is phala vyapti. And how does a master live? Only vritti vyapti. He sees the object 100%, over. I gave this example when Ramana Maharshi was asked by one person there, what do you do in this ashram? He did not answer. 1 hour, 2 hour, at breakfast time at 8 o'clock, I think 7:30. They go there, 7:30. He says, still, he went and sat next to him. Swamiji, you are ignoring me. What do you do in this ashram? Where was his attention at that moment? In this ashram, we eat upma and continued eating. So no story is created. Otherwise, if you ask the manager of that ashram, Ramana ashram, what do you do in this ashram? Oh, Swamiji is there. Every morning so many people come. They take darshan of Swamiji. They sit in meditation with Ramana Maharshi. And afterwards there is some question and answers. At 7:30 there is breakfast. At 12 o'clock there is lunch. And at 7 o'clock in the evening there is dinner. And you can come and you have to take the coupons. There is a bookshop. And there are some caves where Ramana Maharshi meditated. And he will not stop. This is vritti vyapti. This is the story of the ego. A realized master will never create a story. Never. He will be where he is. At that moment, in that moment, with himself. And he will only reflect what he sees. So whether you expose yourself in front of a master or you don't, everything is revealed. Everything is revealed. That does not mean that he is going to manipulate you or he is going to correct you or not correct you. Because if he tries to respond in a particular way, then again ego is coming up. He just, when that reflection is there, whatever comes up at that very moment, it will happen. That happens. Thus, in vritti and phala vyapti, there is duality of the known, which is inert, and the knower, which is a conscious being. But in vritti vyapti, the knower is the ego. In phala vyapti, the knower is the ego, and in the vritti vyapti, the knower is one without a second. He is that one. He has got no previous story or no intention of the future story. Because every knowledge that takes place in your mind, only one knowledge of an object can take place at one time in your mind. I can only speak one word at a time. Every time I speak a word, there is a speaker, there is a spoken, and there is an instrument of speech. The I, the word, and the tongue. And with every word it is happening. And there has got no connection between the... So I am using... There is no connection. 4 words I chanted. There is no connection between these 4 words. Absolutely. But for the jiva, it means a lot. For a realized master, nothing. Therefore, someone comes and asks Ramana Maharshi one question about something, and he takes that. He is not there to. He may answer, but sometimes he used to go into meditation just with that thought, sitting like this for 3 days. Everything used to stop for him. And he's just watching. It used to, the mind is just once and that's it. But when the object of thoughts is not something other than me, myself, only vritti vyapti is ever possible and not the phala vyapti. That is, I know cannot be held to be correct about myself. In other words, when I want to know myself, the differences of known and knower cease to exist. The result is that the moment that I, the limited ego, wants to know myself, the ego disappears and only self shines forth. The lamp placed in the blazing light of the sun cannot give any more light. Similarly, in face of the pure light of consciousness, the ego fades away into non existence. When I say I know Louis, I know camera, there is some object to cognize. But when I say I want to know myself or I know myself, what is myself? What is myself? If your concept of myself is equal to I am the body, then you will look at the body. If your concept is the breath or the mind, imagination, then it will be that. But for a true master or a true seeker, when he is sitting on the seat of meditation and reaching those heights of meditation, can the the ego can only think about something other than itself, isn't it? Agreed? This is a simple equation. But when the question is asked, who am I? Can the ego think about itself? Can it? All it can, if at all it can say, it is not the it is only answer at the level of mind. It will say, I am. Therefore, one master said, I am what I am. And that's it. But after that, there is no commentary.